Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add stickers on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, you can see here an option called Open Editor. Click on that. And for adding a sticker, here on the left you can see here menu options, and here is an option you can see here stickers. Click on that. And from here you can just choose the sticker that you wanted, or otherwise you can just search it from here. And here I'm just going to choose the sticker, and after choosing the sticker you can see that here you had been added the sticker. So if you want to change the color, then here on the left you can see the color theme, and from here you can just change it. So this is how you can add a sticker on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.